A couple of useful functions have to be defined before we can start calculating the monthly balances. Let's go through these functions one by one. There are quite some functions to be defined. So, we are going to divide them into two parts and cover all of them in two videos. In this video, we will talk about two functions, get lending rate and get exchange rate, and these are the codes to be covered. The first function is the get lending rate function. This function has parameter currency, year, and month. It simply returns the lending rate of this currency at this given time. We can do so by locating the data we need and retrieve the item. We will do it in two steps. First, locate the data for the given year. We will get the rows for this year. It is still a data frame. Then, locate the data for the given month. In this case, we will get a single row of data. We then retrieve the item value of the given currency. Use the item method to get the item from the data frame. Remember to divide it by 100 as it is a percentage, and convert it from per annum to monthly rates. The second function is the get exchange rate function. This function has two currencies and a given time as parameters. It returns the exchange rate of two given currencies at a given time. We will define the calculations for the cases. If both currencies are the same, then the exchange rate will be 1 in this trivial case. If the initial currency is USD, we know that by definition, the exchange rate we want equals the exchange rate of the final currency. Note that the exchange rate of two given currencies in the opposite direction is the reciprocal of the original value. So if USD is the final currency, we know that the exchange rate we want is the reciprocal of the exchange rate of the initial currency. We will locate the exchange rate data and do the calculations using the same method as the previous function. If both currencies are not USD, we will assume that currency A will first exchange to USD, then to currency B. Thus, we will multiply the results of the two previous cases, which results in the exchange rate of the final currency over that of the initial currency. Okay, we have covered two useful functions. We will include the remaining ones in the next video. See you in the next video.